Hey guys, let's guess with me. I think left is real and both of it. So I go on with the both of it. Oh, this is good. And guess the lollipop, six lollipops. Which doing real? Minus three. I think number one is real. Yeah. I think 100% because it's no shade. Oh, I'm wrong. The number three is I think real. Yes, I'm right. No, I'm not right. On number two, shake. And number two is fake, 100%. Number three is fake also. And number one is also fake. All threes are fake. I think number one is real because it's same matching the color. Another wrong.